Okay, the arachnoid matter is the middle layers. It's been removed previously, and it covers the whole brain and the spinal cord. The cerebellum is the back part here of the brain, and it controls balance and muscle coordination. The cerebral aqueduct is located inside here. It connects the third and fourth ventricles and contains a cerebral spinal fluid. The cerebrum is up here. It's the two hemispheres that are divided by the medial longitudinal fissure. Okay, and then we have the corpus callosum, which is here. And it connects the two cerebral hemispheres. And then we have the cortex, which is the outer portion of the cerebrum. And the cranial nerves go through here. There are 12 of them. Then we have the diencephalon, which is made up of the thalamus and the hypothalamus. Okay, so here we have the dura mater, which is the tough connective tissue layer that's on the outer layer of the meninges. Then we got gray matter and then white matter. And then we have the gyrus here. Okay, then we have the hippocampus, which is used to convert short-term memory to long-term memory. And then here we have the pituitary gland, which controls the number of exocrine glands. And then we have the hypothalamus over here, which is part of the diencephalon and is used to maintain internal homeostasis. And then we have the medulla. There we go. And it contains various reflex receptors. And then over here we have the midbrain, which is part of between the pons and part of the diencephalon. Okay. And then here we have your olfactory bulb. And then here we got your optic chiasm, which is a crossing point for the optic nerves. And then in the inside here, you would have your pia mater, which is the innermost layer of the meninges. Okay. And then here we have the penile body, which is another exocrine gland. Here we have the pons. It contains nerve tracts that connect the cerebellum with other parts of the spinal cord. And then up here we have the sulci, and it's the groove between the gyri. And for the pineal gland, I meant to say that it is an endocrine gland. We have the thalamus here, which serves as a sensory relay center. And then there are 4 different ventricles within the brain that are filled with cerebrospinal fluid.